Tobore, Tobore, you're like a son to me. And for that reason, I entrusted you with the most important job of all. Get rid of all evidences. Tobore, messed up. And you plan on running out of the country, right? I've got eyes and ears all over the city. Tobore, you are a dead man. And I know you know that. But your death is injustice. Tobore, I will watch your family die before your very eyes. I will watch your children cry and beg for their lives. I will watch me kill your family. Tobore, then and only then, when you are filled with agony and pain, I will kill you. Oh, I will enjoy killing you, Tobore. Oh, you think your family are safe, right? You think Michael helped them escape? No. Michael is under my pay grade. He handed them over to me in a platter. Tobore,